What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be doing rapid fire question segment number 37. But first,
these are seriously some of the best headphones I've heard in a long time. The noise cancellation on them is some of the best I've ever experienced. Like, I feel all by myself, isolated. I can hear everything I need to within the mix, and it really makes a big difference.
alright, you should know how we do these. You ask the questions and I answer them personally here for you. No other YouTuber in car audio is doing this for you, and you know it. So share my videos, comment on the videos. So we're trying to just keep them rolling. You never know, somebody's gonna be pushing the cart down the aisle or whatever. But anyway, we're gonna jump right into this. First person is Pedro Salazar. It says, hey JP, I have a full throttle 4800 AGM, D4S 6.0 LTO, and a D4S 500 Farad cat bank on a JP23 pushing 2 10s, thinking of getting 2 more and moving up to a JP33 or 43. Question is, am I fine with what I got, or should I get another 6.0 or a 270 amp high output alternator? I would definitely recommend, if you don't have a high output alternator already, that should be your first step, and next you would get another LTO 6.0. Up next we have Slimed Up 843. What up, big dog? Big dog? Quick question. Your D4S ProFab V2 box is tuned to 32 Hertz. What's the lowest you think they'll play safely? Scott Buey says, I wouldn't go lower than probably 28 unless you know what you're doing and know what to listen for. I'm pretty close to right there with him on that. I would say 26, 28, somewhere in there. So it just depends. There's so much that depends on experience, and that's basically it in car audio. It's hard to give like a blanket statement because you don't know what each person's experience level is. So I would say 26 to 28. Up next we have TL Wright. What's a good amp for 2 SUNDOWN Audio E15 subs? A JP23 amplifier would be perfect for that. I would definitely recommend that. Get them moving. Up next we have Michael 1990214. Is that your phone number, bro? You trying to give me your digits? Anyway, oh crap, I clicked the wrong thing. Would a JP23 be a good amp to run with 2 SUNDOWN SA V212s wired to 1 ohm with a 320 amp alternator? I mean, it'd be okay, but I would at least get a JP 23 version 2. But me personally, I would get a JP 33 with the 320 amp alternator, and it would be a good matchup with the V2s. The V2s are just really beefy in comparison to the regular SAs, so they could definitely use the JP23 version 2 or a JP33 on those. It'd be great. All right, last but not least, we have Kevin Mitch. What up, Doe? JP, I have a 05 Yukon XL 2 alt setup, 2 alts for bass alone, 400 amp Mechman externally regulated, 36 LTO batteries. That's a lot. 12 super caps. That's a lot. 16.8 volts max charge. What kind of non-wall bass could I go with? Man, that's y'all ask these super vague questions, man. There's like a whole world of stuff that you could do, but I don't know how you're going to. If you're going to take your back seats out, but you're going to do a no wall, or you're going to leave your back seats in there and just try to do it back there. If you are, that's a ton of batteries and super caps and stuff trying to fit back there with a box. So I'm going to assume you're going to take your back seats out, because that's a lot of electrical power to have for just a 4. Say if you're going to do like a 415 box or something like that, you could do like a non-wall 418 or 415 box. Put all your stuff in front of it, in between basically where the rear seat would be. You could put all your batteries and your subs and amps there. Your amps and stuff there. But as far as there's just an unlimited thing. If you want me to just spout something off, it also depends on your budget. That's another thing. I don't know how much y'all are wanting to spend on this stuff. But if you have a pretty decent budget, you could do 4 SUNDOWN ZV6 18s and do 2 JP 83s, and you already have the electrical and everything, so that would be a crazy. You could even do 6 18s in a no wall. It'd be a crazy setup, or 6 15s in a no wall. So and then you'd obviously add another JP 83, or you could do Assault 6 or Assault 8 to power those. So there's just a couple of different options there. But anyway, that's going to conclude our frequently asked questions segment number 36. If you have any questions or if you want to place an order, you can go to downforsoundshop.com. You can give us a call at 702-701-9800, or you can email sales@downforsoundshop.com. And don't forget about the Down for Sound difference: guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, and best customer service. And we have 10 different types of financing options on the website under the financing tab. So be sure to check that out, and we will see you in the next one. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.